There are so many ways of making jollof rice, and we have a lot of them on social media and also on this channel or page. But with this one, oh my goodness, it is different, and I know you will love it. Just say, na ekoyi pa na recipe edi twemu ankasa. Isa ne saninti no, me imagine say me no beche recipe no. Na minimum say we ni beche ho yi. And untimi say umbre no. Let's get started. In my pot, I have my coconut oil. I'll go ahead and add my bay leaves, rosemary. I will add my chopped onions. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lina and welcome to my kitchen. This is where we cook or we make anything food. If you're interested, do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. So I have added my tomato sauce. I have the recipe here. Please kindly check it out. Okay, it contains a lot of things. Okay, thank you so much. So I'll give it a gentle stir and then add my pepper. So the tomato sauce does not contain pepper. That is why I added the pepper as well. We are just going to leave it on fire for it to cook very well. Thank you so much for your time. So after 5 minutes, this is how it looks, and you can see our stew is cooking. I'll go ahead and add my tomato paste. So that is what I've added to it. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't followed or subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Oh my goodness, can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon that says all, so that you will be updated when we upload videos. And if you're watching me from Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, please follow for more. Thank you so much. So we are just going to wait for some few minutes and I will get back to you. So after 3 minutes, this is how it looks. We are going to wait for 5 minutes again, and now you can see some oil on top of your stew, and it means that we are at the right channel. So I've added my sardines, okay, in olive oil, and I used 2 tins, okay. Yes, so I will stir it and make sure I mashed everything inside. If you don't want to mash it, then do it. Just do what you want. I'll go ahead and add my homemade spice and herb blend, and this takes the stew or your jollof rice to another level. I can't wait to share the recipe with you. It is so good. I'll go ahead and add smoked paprika, and it adds some beautiful color to your jollof rice. Thank you so much. So after adding all those ingredients, I waited for a while, then added my seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of your choice. Use any seasoning that you want, okay. That is my seasoning I've added. I actually used goat meat seasoning, and it is so flavorful. After that, I've washed my rice, and that is what I'm adding. You can choose not to wash your rice if that is what you want, okay. Just do you, just do what you want, okay. Yes, I'll stir it. And when making jollof rice, you just don't want it to become very soft or to become jollof emotuo. I mean, you don't want it very soft, so you don't have to add a lot of water. So I added just small water, and we are going to cook this with heat, not water. That is why we didn't add a lot of water. So I'm just going to leave it on fire, and I will be checking on it every 5 minutes or 3 minutes so that it doesn't stick to the pan, okay. Yes, so after 5 minutes, this is how it looks, and I will give it a gentle stir. Just look at that, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I just feel like eating it at this moment. was the flavor and the aroma in my kitchen. Oh my goodness. It was, I don't know how to describe it. So after stirring it, I will cover it and wait for a while and be checking on it from time to time. So after 20 to 25 minutes, our jollof rice is ready. Isn't it easy? It is very, very easy. Try this and you are going to love it. I just love how it has singled out and it was so delicious. We paired this with some ripe plantain, salad and chicken, and it was thank you and see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe for more. Bye.